In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a text block Squarespace. First, you will log into your Squarespace account. This is the starting point because you need access to the website builder in order to edit your pages. When you are logged in, make sure you are looking at the correct workspace and the site you want to update. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right one, since changes only apply to the site you are currently editing. Next, open the Pages panel and select your page. The Pages panel is where you can manage each page on your website, such as your home page, an About page, or any other content page. Click into that panel and choose the page where you want the text to appear. Choosing the right page now saves time later and helps you avoid editing in the wrong place. After you have selected the correct page, click Edit. This tells Squarespace that you want to modify the layout and content of that page. Once you click Edit, you should see the Page Builder interface, with your page elements visible and ready to be changed. Take a quick look around so you know where the text block will be placed on the page. Now, click the plus button, also called Add Block, where you want the text to appear. This is important because the text block will be inserted at that location in the layout. As you hover around the page, look for the area where Squarespace prompts you to add a new element. Then click the plus button in that exact spot so the text goes exactly where you want it. Once the block menu appears, select Text from the menu. This ensures you are adding a text element rather than something else like an image, a divider, or a gallery. Selecting text is what gives you the space to enter your message and format it for the page. Next, type your content directly into the block. After you select text, you should see a text editor area appear on the page. Click inside the text area and start entering your content. You can paste text as well, as long as it fits your design needs. If you are adding a title or a short paragraph, make sure the content reads clearly and matches the purpose of the page. Then use the text toolbar to format your font, size, alignment, or add links. The text toolbar controls how your message looks, so this step helps your content match the style of your website. Adjust the font and size if the text is too small or too large. Change alignment to make the text match the layout, such as left-aligned for body text or centered for headings. If you include links, use the toolbar options to add them so readers can navigate to related pages or resources. While you format, keep an eye on how the text appears on the page so you can see the changes immediately. After you are happy with the content and formatting, click Save. Saving is the step that permanently applies your changes to the page. Without saving, you could lose your work or not have the updated text show on the live page. Take a moment after saving to confirm that the text block displays correctly in the location you chose. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.